Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For more electrical concepts, please do subscribe this channel. So in this class, I am going to explain why the transformer rating is in kVA. So this is also most important Viva question. Generally, we are going to face in any interview or any Viva. So most of the people will be saying that because of the losses, the transformer rating is given in kVA. So more specifically, they are going to tell like core losses like iron losses are associated with voltage and copper losses are associated with the current. Then because of that, the transformer rating is in kVA. So that is also correct, but exact answer is we are going to learn in this class. Actually, in a power system, the main important concepts, the main important equipments are alternator and as well as a transformer. Okay, so alternator is this one, alternator, and here it is the transformer. After that, the transmission line, and this is a load. Okay, this is a single line diagram of a power system. Actually, if you observe, not only transformer, alternator is also given in the form of kVA with power factor, but not in megawatts or kilowatts. Okay, and the transformer is given with kVA. But whereas if you go for load, a load will be given in terms of kilowatts. Okay, so to understand the main principle or main reason behind this, first of all, the power can be written as power is equal to V into I into cos phi. So this is a formula for a power. So this can be written as V and ampere, volt amperes. So for large machines it is kVA cos phi. So this is a power in watts. Actually this is in, if you are taking like kilowatts, then it will be kilowatts. Okay, here the main reason for mentioning the transformer in kVA is we do not know the specific information of the load. We do not know the specific information of the load, at which power factor it is operating. So based on that, it will be drawing the current. So the transformer will be given in the kVA form only, but not in kilowatts. Okay, so the manufacturer of the transformer does not have any information regarding the load. So because of that particular reason, transformer will be given in kVA. Okay, that is also correct answer. The core losses like iron losses are associated with voltage and copper losses are associated with current. So because of that, many people will be saying that the transformer rating is in kVA. But this is also one of the exact reason for the mentioning of transformer in kVA. Okay, actually any machine rating will be decided by using temperature rise. The temperature rise basically depending upon the losses only. Okay, but the main reason behind mentioning the transformer rating in kVA is the manufacturer of the transformer does not know the behavior, exact information of the load. So I will explain with a small example. So let me consider a load. So the rating of a transformer is here 11 kV and 10 ampere, let us take, and the load is also I have taken as 110 kilowatts. Okay, here if I mentioned in 110 kilowatts instead of 110 kVA, what happens to a load? Okay, if the manufacturer of the transformer is mentioning 110 kilowatts instead of 110 kVA, what happens? Let us see now. Actually the power is a 110 kilowatts and V is 11 kV into X. Let us take I don't know the current, and unity power factor. Under unity power factor, V into I into cos pi, I am just taking 1. So in this case the current is 10 amperes. For 0.5 power factor, for the same load, for the same voltage, current I don't know, for 0.5 power factor, the current will be 20 amperes. Okay. Further, if the power factor has been reduced, then the current will be 40 amperes. Current will be 40 amperes. If I am mentioning as 110 kilowatts the transformer rating, if you are for obtaining the 110 kilowatts, if you are operating the motor or a load at 0.25 power factor, the rating of this will be 40 amperes. Okay. For satisfying this 110 kilowatts, the load has to draw 40 amperes, but the transformer is designed to have here 10 amperes, so it will be damaged. So because of that reason, the transformer rating is given in kVA but not in kilowatts or megawatts.